Just completed a wee job in Loma Valley there. Front parking sensors on a Volkswagen Golf, colour coded, and put a reverse camera into the Golf as well. Just let you see what that is. That's the camera located at the centre, just above the number plate. Now the customer has chosen to go with the JVC head unit. Gives you your Apple Carplay, your digital radio, also gives you your hands-free. Now that's our front parking sensors. As I say, whenever we go into forward motion, hit the button and the sensor will show you you're getting close to one side, and give us a stop. We're not too far away. Now if we decide to put it under reverse, again the customer has chose to go with the JVC unit, which gives us the reverse camera and our guidelines as per requested. If this is something that you would like, feel free to contact us at Connect Mobile Solutions, Belfast or Mahara.